Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can recover deleted files on Chromebook. Now, this is going to be very quick and easy, so let's start. So to start with, we can go ahead and open up the launcher by clicking on the button here on the lower left corner, and let's go to Files. Okay, so from this window, we can go to Trash. And from here, we can see our deleted files. Now, to recover these files, simply click on the item that you want to restore. And here, click on this icon here that says Restore. Now, this file will be restored to its original location. In my case, it's in my download folder. So right here, this is my file. So that is how you can recover deleted files on Chromebook. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.